In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your files on Google Drive, specifically focusing on how to recover lost files in case they go missing. Whether it's a stray click or a misguided drag and drop, we've all been there scrambling to retrieve important documents. With this guide, I'll show you the straightforward steps to locate your files and how to handle situations when files seem lost. First things first, you'll want to head over to Google Drive and log into your account. This is your central hub for managing all your documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and other files. Once you've logged in, your online desk is ready and waiting for you to start the rescue mission. Next, direct your attention to the left sidebar and look for the option labeled Trash or Bin. This is where Google Drive temporarily stores files after you delete them, much like the recycle bin on your computer. Click on this option, and you're effectively visiting the archives of your recent file history. Now, if the file you're looking for has been recently deleted, you should see it listed here in the trash. Simply right-click on the file. Here's a quick tip. Do this sooner rather than later, as files don't stay in the trash forever. Once you find the file, you'll see a restore option. Click on that, and your document will be whisked back to its original location, ready for use once more. Remember, this step only works if the trash hasn't been emptied. But what if your file isn't tucked away in the trash? In this case, let's turn to the Google Drive activity feature to get to the root of the disappearance. On the main Drive interface, click the small I icon, also known as the View Details icon. Once there, navigate to the Activity tab. This log will show you if the file was moved to a different folder or renamed, rather than being outright deleted. It's a handy feature that often reveals that a file isn't lost, just hiding. As a last resort, if you're using a personal account and still can't find your document because the trash has already been emptied, you can reach out to Google Support for help. Begin by heading over to Google Drive Help and selecting Contact Support. Here you can explain the situation, and sometimes